Hey everyone, if you enjoy the content on this channel and you're interested in additional exclusive bonus content, more access to me and other perks, please consider joining my YouTube loyalty membership program, the PII Inner Circle. By becoming a member, you will gain access to exclusive members-only videos and live streams as well as other perks. And you all know that I'm all about full transparency, so let me tell you exactly what you could expect if you become a member. First of all, the price, very cheap and affordable, only $3.50 a month Canadian, by the way, so very, very affordable, and you're able to cancel anytime. So what kind of exclusive videos will you gain access to? Well, more personal videos, and I'm starting with a bang because the very first video that will be available to you right away if you become a member is a complete unveil of my entire financial blueprint, everyone. That's right, you'll be able to see all my income sources, all my expenses as well, so you'll actually be able to see how much YouTube actually pays me, and I think you'll be surprised. Other exclusive videos could be family members portfolio unveils, like my dad's $350,000 RIF account, or even my grandparents' TFSAs. I think you'll like that. What about the live streams? Well, the live streams are really going to be a place where you'll be able to ask me anything, and it's going to be live, a little bit more private, a little bit more exclusive, so you could probably be sure your questions are going to be answered. I'll give you the ability to send me questions in advance as well. I'll try to answer all of them on the live streams, and in case you can't make the actual live stream, you'll be able to rewatch it at a later time. Another perk, and this is the one I'm very excited about, is the weekly opportunity report. So members will gain access to a weekly opportunity report. Well, I'll advise you if there's any closed-end funds or split share funds that are trading at nice discounts, for example, or which sectors of the market I feel are undervalued and which funds you could buy to capitalize on that opportunity. I think you'll really like the weekly opportunity report. It's actually going to be replacing that monthly split share fund report. Another perk is early access to my stock picks and portfolio unveil videos. You'll get early access to those before everyone else. Another perk is going to be real-time stock trade alerts. That's right, you'll be able to know the day of or the moment I actually buy something or invest my money in something. You'll know right away instead of waiting to know what I bought in the next portfolio unveil video. Last but not least, priority replies to comments and questions. So I always thought I would be able to answer all questions and all comments on my channel, but it's just impossible now with 60,000 plus subscribers. So by becoming a member, you get a special badge next to your name letting me know you're an Inner Circle member, so you will get priority responses if you leave me any questions or any comments on any one of my videos. So last, I just want to finish off by saying don't worry, this will not impact any of the regular content on the channel. The portfolio unveil videos will be continuously available for everyone on the channel. My goal is really to give you bonus content to really help you become a better do-it-yourself income investor and really be part of a community of like-minded investors. So think of it like bonus content only, and just a way to support me and this channel further, because as you will see with the first exclusive video, YouTube actually pays us very, very little. So it's only a couple of dollars a month, everyone. Again, you'll be able to cancel anytime, so there's no pressure. So as usual, thank you for all your support, everyone. Stay safe, stay healthy, and of course, stay passive.